In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet with our comprehensive 2025 full guide. Let's dive in and ensure you're fully prepared to deliver your presentation smoothly and professionally. To get started, fire up your preferred web browser and head on over to Google Meet. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main landing page of Google Meet. Here, you'll want to look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account information. Go ahead and type in your email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typing errors to avoid any hitches. After entering your email, click on Next to advance to the password stage. Enter your password and click Next once more. You're successfully signed in and ready to move ahead. Now that you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself back on the Google Meet homepage. It's time to set up your meeting, so let's create a new meeting. Click on the New Meeting button. This will present you with a few options, and since we're looking to get started right away, choose Start an Instant Meeting. This selection will launch a new meeting session for you in just moments. With your meeting underway, it's time to share your PowerPoint presentation. Direct your attention to the bottom of your meeting window, where you'll find the Share Screen option. Click on it to kick off the screen sharing process. Here, Google Meet offers you different ways to share your screen. You want to select Window, which lets you pick only the specific window where your PowerPoint is open. This way, participants will only see your PowerPoint and nothing else on your screen. After you make your selection, Google Meet may prompt you with a message saying, "Show my screen anyway." This is just to confirm that you're aware of what you're sharing. Click Show My Screen Anyway to proceed, and your PowerPoint window is now visible to everyone in the meeting. And there you have it, your PowerPoint presentation is live and ready to captivate your audience. Be sure to keep an eye on your audience's reactions and any questions they might have. Good luck with your presentation, and remember that with these simple steps, you've got everything under control. Thank you for tuning into today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more insightful tips and tutorials. Have an excellent presentation, and we'll see you in our next video.